In univariate statistics, we have a single variable of interest. In multivariate statistics, we have more than one. So it may seem that multivariate statistics is just applying univariate statistics to each of the variables one by one. Well, looking at each variable separately is definitely a very good idea, but there's more to multivariate statistics than that. Here, for example, is a plot of a bivariate data presented as a scatter plot. Now, bivariate, that means that there are two variables. Suppose I call this thing, say, x. This is x and this is y. The plot shows an increasing linear relation. But if we look at the x values and the y values separately, then we shall not be able to discern this relation. These points on the axis do not tell us about which x value pairs with which y value. For example, if I just permute the x values, leaving the y values unaltered, then the points on the axis appear to remain unchanged. But now the pairing has completely changed, resulting in a decreasing relationship. That's where multivariate statistics comes into play. It considers the different variables simultaneously, not one at a time. This allows us to explore the relation among the variables.